Hello friends, thank you for joining us today for this video. Today we're in Port Perry, Ontario, a town in the Kawartha Lakes Region, which is about 85 kilometers northeast of Toronto. Port Perry is a small town in southern Ontario with a small population of just over 10,000 people as of the 2021 census. However, that number significantly increases during the summer months. The town covers an area of roughly 9 square kilometers, and 90% of the residents identify English as their primary language, with a small French minority making up another 2%. Port Perry is lovingly referred to as Port by the local area residents. The average household income is just over $65,000 per year, and the median age is 50. The town's two major employers are Scugog Island Cruises and the Great Blue Heron Casino. Combined, they employ just over 2,700 people. The town of Port Perry has a long history dating back to 1821, when the first homestead was erected by Reuben Crandall. Over the next 50 years, the town developed, seeing the addition of more settlers, the construction of the first schools and post office, and connecting roads to other communities. In 1845, a road connecting Whitby and Port Perry was constructed, and a competing road connecting Port Perry and Oshawa was built a few years later. A few years goes by, and the village continues to grow. Then in 1867, a group of local businessmen got together to bring the railroad to the now flourishing village. The railroad was used to bring lumber from Port Perry through Whitby to connecting CP and CN rail lines. These lines would travel east along the lakeshore into Toronto and the markets beyond. The lake in Port Perry is called Lake Scugog. It's an Ojibwe word meaning marshy water. Scugog is a man-made lake and is around 10 to 12 feet deep on average. At its deepest points, it's about 23 feet deep. The water in Lake Scugog comes from a variety of sources, mainly the Nonquan River and the Cartwright wetlands. There are also some underground springs that feed the lake as well. This water will flow northward into Sturgeon Lake, then into the Trent 7 waterway, which will feed many of the lakes in the Kawartha Lakes region. Then it completes its cycle by heading back out to Lake Ontario. During the summer months, the lakefront is a very popular spot. You can see boats of all sizes and configurations on the lake. Anglers can be seen lining the causeway during the summer months. The marshy patches along the causeway tend to attract a variety of bass, such as large and smallmouth, and rock bass, and if you're really lucky, you might catch a walleye or muskie as well. The waterfront is vital to this community, and is probably the biggest draw in the township. Port Perry has an official plan that will enhance and expand on the existing infrastructure. The council there has endorsed the creation of a connected trail system, new washroom facilities, and improvements to the boat launch. We should see the completion of many of these improvements in time for summer of 2023. So, if you're wondering what it will take to own a home in this beautiful town, I'm going to let you know. Like everywhere else in southern Ontario, Port Perry's home prices have risen at an alarming rate over the last decade. In September, the average price for a detached home was $1.1 million, which is very much in line with what home buyers are paying in larger markets like Toronto. What you will get is a bigger lot size and a wide variety of properties to choose from. Port Perry's close proximity to the 400 series of highways allows for an easy commute to larger cities like Oshawa, Ajax, and Toronto. Queen Street is the main street in Port Perry and has a variety of stores including bakeries, hardware stores, supermarkets, pharmacies, and specialty boutiques. There are also a number of cafes and restaurants and art galleries to enjoy. If you're a foodie, I'd recommend trying out Marwin's Global Bistro. Try out the butter chicken, you can thank me later. Another popular spot is the Piano Inn and Cafe. Not only does the cafe serve up an amazing lunch and dinner menu, it has been used in television and film as a stand-in for a small diner in an American city. As you walk through downtown, you'll be impressed by the Victorian-style architecture. Some of the buildings are over 150 years old. And as you can see, the town has done an amazing job preserving its early historic buildings. During the summer months, there are a lot of festivals such as the First Nations Powwow and the Dragon Boat Festivals, which draw thousands of visitors to the region each year. Alright, let's step into one of my favorite specialty stores, Tribal Voices. It's a family-owned and operated business with several shops throughout the Kawartha Lakes region. As you enter the store, you'll smell the relaxing scent of incense, instantly putting your mind and body at ease. If you're into crystals, then you're in the right spot. Tribal Voices has an extensive collection of ethically sourced crystals, but if you can't make it to the store in person, you can also participate in one of their Instagram live sale events. They offer a wide range of crystal products such as chakra healing crystals, beaded crystal bracelets, raw crystals, and much more. But if you're not into crystals, Tribal Voices also sells clothing and jewelry. Well friends, that's the end of our time in beautiful Port Perry. Thanks for coming along with us for the adventure, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can always join us on our next adventure. Until next time my friends, stay safe, and I'm sending you positive vibes for a great week ahead.